How to upload photos on TikTok. Hello everyone and welcome to TikToks. To upload photos on TikTok, make sure you have downloaded TikTok app. So now open TikTok. On bottom middle of your screen, you can see this plus icon. So tap on it. Now here on bottom of your screen, you will find different options like 10 minutes, 60 seconds, 15 seconds, photo and text. Make sure you are on photo option. If not, simply slide it towards photo. After selecting the photo, on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will find this photo icon. So tap on it and it will lead you towards your gallery. So from here, select any photo that you want to upload. You can select both single or multiple photos. So select the photos that you want to upload. Here, let me select this one. Now after selecting the photo, tap on next. Again tap on next. Now simply edit your post, add captions, hashtags, mention people if you want to, and then tap on this post icon located on bottom of your screen. This is all you need to do to upload photos on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.